Hi, I'm Michael. I've been a teacher now for about 4 years and worked in primary schools and secondary schools before I came to Genius. The reason I'm here, not in a school, is because I absolutely love teaching, and there's not a better place in the world to be a teacher than here at Genius Development, because the amount of resources that we get to use and the one-on-one time we get with the students is really, really beneficial and really, really rewarding as a teacher, and I just absolutely love it here.
Hi, my name's Lincoln Innes, and I'm a teacher here at Genius Development. I'm originally from Sydney, Australia. One of the things that I love about teaching at Genius Development is that we focus on practical hands-on experiments and activities, which allows kids to see and feel the science that they're learning. This really encourages kids to ask questions about why things work, which really holds them in good stead for going on and doing greater things with science, technology, engineering and maths.
Hello, my name is Arthur. I'm originally from Hong Kong, but I moved to the UK when I was really small. After spending my childhood and teenage years in Cambridge, I went to study in universities of Leicester and got my bachelor's degree in zoology. Since then, I started working in an English exam board until I acquired my CELTA qualification and moved back to Hong Kong to teach.
Hello, my name is Tim. I was born in Toronto, Canada, and I grew up in England, and I've been in Hong Kong for almost 30 years now. My approach and my philosophy to teaching is if the kids can walk out of the classroom knowing a bit more than when they walked in, and if they can go home to their parents and say, "Mom, Dad, that was really good fun. Look what I made. Can I go back again?" then I think that I've helped to contribute to their quest and their thirst for knowledge. They will be the next generation, and if they know a bit more about how things work than my generation, then I think that's a good thing.
One of the things that we do at Genius Development is we use 3D printing to enhance our classes. So we print 3D gearboxes to help with our engineering classes. We print interesting shapes and objects which you couldn't manufacture normally. You need to 3D print them.
One of my favourite creations that we make here is this pencil sharpener. So the students here get to assemble the motor inside, and they learn about, for example, the torque converter inside here. I love doing this because the kids really enjoy making it, and it's really rewarding when you build something that you can take home and use yourself every single day. And most importantly, the students learn loads when they do this.
After the lessons, you can always see a smile on the student's face.
Here's a secret. I used to be in the Hong Kong Singers, singing and dancing on stage, wearing makeup, but don't tell anybody.
I played a game with an English Premiership player and beat him with that. If you want to find out more about it, come to Genius Development. I'll tell you more about it.
Fun fact about me is that I'm definitely the tallest teacher here at Genius Development, and I also have the biggest nose.